Welcome to the Islamic city of Marawi in Lanao del Sur, and welcome to Anthro on Foot's walking tour. This is a self-paced walking tour that features key heritage sites and cultural highlights in the area. We hope you enjoy this tour as much as we enjoyed curating it. Introduction. The Islamic city of Marawi is referred to as the summer capital of the south, a title it shares with Balay-Balay in Bukidnon. Marawi's history intertwines with that of the Maranaos, whose oral genealogies trace back thousands of years. For countless generations, Marawi has been a gathering place for the Maranaos from various municipalities, serving as the vibrant core of Lanao. Marawi, once known as Dansalan, derives its name from the Maranao word dansal, signifying where the waves meet the shore, indicating its historical significance as a port where boats would berth. Originally a bustling port, Dansalan served as a vital center of trade and commerce. The Maranao people were active participants in regional trade networks. The lake provided a natural route for trade, connecting Marawi to other areas in Mindanao and neighboring islands. Maranao culture is renowned for its artistic traditions, including intricate woodwork, weaving, and metal craftsmanship. The Torogan, traditional Maranao houses adorned with okir, which is a form of an Islamic geometric design, stand as symbols of the area's rich cultural heritage. The Maranaos, Islamized in the 13th century, fiercely defended their way of life against Spanish and American colonial forces. Notable battles, such as those led by Radia Palawan and Amay Pakpak, exemplify their resilience and bravery. Established as a municipality in 1907 under the Moro Province Legislative Council, Dansalan became the capital of Lanao Province during American colonial rule. It gained city status under the Philippine Commonwealth Government in 1940 through Commonwealth Act No. 592 and renamed Marawi City in 1956 in honor of the martyrs who bravely defended Kuta Maraghui or Fort Marawi in 1895. Recognizing its predominantly Muslim population, Marawi was declared the Islamic City of Marawi by a City Council resolution in April 1980. The Marawi Siege of 2017 marked a tragic departure from centuries of colorful local history, as many locals were forced to flee their homeland due to terrorism and conflict between the Philippine government and militants affiliated with the Islamic State jihadist group. The 5-month-long siege shattered the city's infrastructure and led to the injury and loss of lives of thousands of military personnel, militants, and civilians. As Marawi undergoes rehabilitation, the Maranaos aim to reclaim their noble past, forging a new path while honoring the legacy of their ancestors.